Great news has just been announced for Pro-Am players for NBA 2K19. They will have private matchmaking. Pro-Am teams can create passwords to share with other Pro-Am teams, and when both of the teams enter the same password, they're connected for a private game. The private games, they're not going to count as ranked games, but now you can play against any team, anytime, anywhere. You can scrimmage, you can practice, you can set up your own leagues. When teams are talking trash on social media, you can settle it. You can actually go up against that team directly and play them. Let's say you see them on the leaderboard and you say, you know what, the leaderboard doesn't matter. That doesn't mean anything. We need to go up against each other to determine who's the better team. You can make that happen. This is something that has been requested for a long time, going back as far as when we had crew in the game, before Pro-Am was there. When it was just crew mode, you've always wanted to be able to match up directly with the competition, to settle the score, to settle everything once and for all. This is great news. I know a lot of people are going to be happy. I've seen people asking me this question over the last week or so. Let me know what you're thinking in the comment section about this, being able to play whoever you want, playing against friends. Finally, private matchmaking. I'm going for the touchdown right there, wide open. Oh my goodness. Wow. I'm salty that I have to settle for 3 when I had a touchdown right